In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with multiple calendars. We'll use Outlook on the web, and by the end, you'll feel confident viewing and managing several calendars side by side without mixing things up. Start by heading to outlook.live.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once you're in, look for the calendar option in the navigation. Click Calendar to switch from your mail to the calendar view. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar month, week, and day views along with a panel on the left that lists your calendars. On the left, find the section labeled My Calendars. Click it to expand if it's collapsed. This is where Outlook organizes your personal and other calendars you own. You might also see sections for shared or other calendars, but for now, keep your focus on My Calendars so you can clearly see what's available to you. With that open, you can see multiple calendars at once. Outlook shows these together in the main view, usually color-coded so each calendar's events are easy to tell apart. This is especially helpful if you keep separate calendars for personal appointments, team schedules, or special projects. If your view feels crowded, switch between month, week, or work week to get the level of detail you need. To add something new, click directly on the date and time you want. A small event window will appear. Give it a clear title, adjust the start and end time, and add any location or notes. Most importantly, look for the calendar selector in the event window and make sure the correct calendar is chosen before saving. That way you keep events organized where they belong. Depending on your setup, you might also see an option to create a task instead of an event. Tasks track to-dos with due dates, while events block time on a calendar, so choose the one that fits your need. When you want to work in a different calendar, select that calendar from the list under My Calendars first, then add or edit items just as you did before. Keeping an eye on which calendar is active helps maintain clean separation between work, personal, and shared schedules. If you're planning a busy week, it can be useful to quickly scan the colors to confirm which calendar each item belongs to, and open an event to double-check its calendar if needed. That's it. You went to Outlook, opened Calendar, accessed My Calendars, viewed multiple calendars together, created an event or task, and switched to another calendar to keep everything organized. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.